All hope you all are doing well. Here I am with the solution of the word problems given in exercise 12.1 of chapter 12 Heron's formula of class 12. Okay, so the first question says that a traffic signal indicating the school ahead is an equilateral triangle. This signal board where it is written school ahead is in the form of an equilateral triangle. So children, you should know what is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the triangle whose all sides are equal. Okay, now it is an equilateral triangle with side A. It means the side of this triangle is A. If one side is A, it means all the sides will be A only. Okay, now we have to find the area of this signboard by using Heron's formula. Okay, so children, one thing is mentioned here, that find its area when the perimeter is 180 centimeter. Okay, so because the side is not mentioned specifically, it's given only A, but its perimeter is given. Okay, and we know that the sides of an equilateral triangle is all same. If one side is A, it means the other two sides will also be A. So how to find? First we are going to find the value of the sides. Okay, so if we know that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, okay, that means A plus, and perimeter is given 180 centimeters. So A plus A plus A, that is 180. A plus A is 3A. Okay, and 3 is multiplied here, so it will come this side and it will be divided with 1. It will divide 180. So A will be equal to 60 centimeter, because 60 into 3 is 180. So now we got the value of the sides. Okay, now first, to apply the Heron's formula, we should know the value of S. So S means semi-perimeter. So if P is 180, then semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter. It means 180 divided by 2, that is 90 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the area of the triangle using this signboard in the form of an equilateral triangle. We have to find the area of this signboard, okay, by using the Heron's formula. It is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In the starter, I don't think so any of you will face any kind of problem or difficulty, okay, but you need practice in each and every concept, isn't it? So in place of S, we are going to write 90, S 90 minus 60. It is 90 minus 60 because all the sides are same, equal 90 minus 60. Okay, so I am going to rub the upper part so that it will be more specifically known. Is area of the signboard. Okay, so it is 90 into 90 minus 60 is your 30. 90 minus 60, okay, is 30 into 30. Okay, 90 can be written as 3 into 30. 30 into 30 into 30. Okay, don't break it in more smaller one. Okay, it will be very much then the solution will become more bigger one. Okay, so here only we can pair up. Okay, it is in square root, so we can see that 30, this 30 into 30, this out of this we can take one of this pair. Okay, 30 into, out of this 30 we can make the one pair, and this 30 will come out, and this root, this 3 will be in the root only because it is not having any pair to make. Okay, now 30 into 30 is your 900. Okay, so you get 900 root 3 centimeter square. You should put the unit. Okay, it is very, very important. So 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of this signboard. Okay, so children, hope you understood the explanation, and kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video as well. Thank you.